take your worksheet from your workbook. Yes, everybody look at this worksheet. Yes, you have to take this worksheet from your workbook. Now we are going to do the ERP worksheet. Already know what is ERP? Yes, English Readiness Program. Am I right? Yes. So come on, everybody, have you all taken your worksheet? Yes. So in this picture, what is this picture you can see here? What is this picture? This is a one type of house. It's a one type of room in our house, you know. Yes. What's the name of the room? What's the name of the room? Yes, you are absolutely correct. This is a bedroom. This is a bedroom. See? So how in our house in a bedroom? So usually kids only mess up this all the things here, you know. Am I right? Yes. So every homes, if you have kids means they will mash up all the things like this picture. Am I right? Yes. See in this picture, what are the things in this bedroom? Yes. See here, they have given. We can see the bedroom, bed, blanket, then one book. We can see one bag, and this one is lamp, light lamp, teddy bear, rocket, clock, table, chair. We can see the window, see, window, cupboard. Next, in this shelf also has there in this cupboard. We can see many books. We can see the group of books in this shelf. Next, we can see the toys also. Sit down. Sit down. We can see many toys in the floor. Can you see the toys? Yes. We can see the toys, and we can see one book. One book on the table, and we can see the one globe. See here, we can see the one globe on the table. Next, see, we can see two balls in the floor. We can see the mat, and we can see one bag. Okay, kids, can you see or not? Yes. By using this object, and we have to make 3 sentences. See what heading they have given? Write 3 sentences for the picture given below. You may use some of the words given in the box below. See here, in this box they have given what all the objects. Ma'am, I told you the same word. So I told with object. I am showing the object and said that pictures. So that same picture they have given down in the words. Okay, kids? Along with that, what all we learn the side words? See, this, that, these, those. So that 4 words also they have given here. Next, see here, or, toys, books, blanket, shelf, window, clock, or, clean, dirty, everyday, mommy, box, shun, is, love. Okay, kids? So they have given what are the pictures I told here, which was given by words. Okay, kids? Now we have to make a sentence. They told to make a 3 sentence, by using these words. Am I right? Yes. So you can make a sentence. You can start with this, that, these and those. Already we learned where we need to say this, and where we have to say that, and where we need to say these and those. Am I right? Yes. So this means we have to say for one object if it is nearby you. Then that we have to point out one object which is far away from you. These means group of object which is nearby you. You use these. Now those means we have to say group of object which is far away from you. Okay, kids? Now you imagine you are sitting on the bed. You are on the bed means how to point out the things. Just for example, ma'am, I am telling you are on the bed. Now you are sitting on the bed. You have to point out the things. Okay. Suppose you can make in the chair. You can sit in the chair also. Just for example, I am telling you are on the bed. How to point out the things? Yes. You can say this is a book. This is a book. This is a blanket. Now you are on the bed. All the things nearby you. You should say this is a bed. This is a book. This is a blanket. Okay. So next, how to use the that word? So now you are on the bed. You are going to point out the things. See here. That is a chair. That is a clock. That is a rocket. That is a bag. So one object. So that we should use it for only one object. That is a globe. That is a book. That is a table. Okay. Next, you have to use these words. Now, you imagine you are on the bed. Okay. Next, you are going to use these words. When do we use these words? Yes. Group of objects. If it is nearby you, you should use the word these. Okay, kids. So, now you are on the bed means you can use this word. Can you use this word? Yes, in the bed, you can see any group of object. Can you see any group of objects? No. So, where you can see the group of objects in this picture? Where? Yes, excellent. See, here we can see the group of objects, only toys. Am I right? We can see the toys and books. Okay, suppose you can sit near the toys or you are standing in the cupboard means you have to mention these are toys. These are toys. Suppose you are standing near the cupboard, you should repeat these are books. These are books. Can you understand? Next, see those. So those means group of objects. So, if it is far away from you, you use the word those. Am I right? Again, you are on the bed now. So, you are pointing out the group of objects. See, you are on the bed now. See, those are toys. Those are books. Can you understand? Can you understand, kids? Yes. By using these 4 side words, you have to make a 3 sentences. Okay. They have given the 3 line spaces only, no. Yes, by using this, you can use a this, that, these, those, or they have given the many words here. By using that word, you can make a 3 sentences. Can you understand, kids? Yes. If you use these, that, these, those means if it is easy to understand that concept. Okay, kids? So everybody, you have to finish this ERP worksheet. Okay, kids?
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray! If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray! If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray! If you're happy and you know it, do all 3. Hooray! If you're happy and you know it, do all 3. Hooray! If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, do all 3.